So a year ago, I set out to do some training for drawing from the holster in a vehicle, more importantly, from the seated position of the driver's side. As you can see, though, as we tried to simulate everything from malfunctions to having that holster in the 3 o'clock position, I don't have my full uniform on. If you're looking right now, you see my duty belt. I've got the holster on the right side. I even have my drop leg holster for my M4 pepper spray. And without having this all on, everything, even including the vest, it doesn't necessarily simulate what it's like when I'm actually in that position to do this training. In a way, looking back, I feel like it was a little unrealistic in terms of what it's actually like to be in a full vehicle with the steering wheel, your shifter, all of the things that are actually in that compartment. What I want to do is revisit, even what it's like to have that seat belt across your chest, because all of these things are going to play into your draw time, the ability to get that weapon out from that 3 o'clock position. And I really want to see if the things that we were doing are actually even feasible being in full uniform. It's so important that you work from a position of realism, and we're going to be doing that in the upcoming weeks. Stay tuned.